Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Indu. I make videos on beauty and lifestyle related content. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my ultimate DIY recipe that I always go back to whenever I face a lot of dandruff problems. So before we start off with the DIY recipe, I would like to tell you guys few things. That is, dandruff is something that can never be cured completely. It is something that you can treat but you can never cure. So please keep that in mind. No matter whatever product and how many DIY recipes you try on your head, it will keep coming back. So it is something that you have to keep in check, because there is actually a reason for it. At the end of the day, dandruff is a fungal infection. So fungal infections are really not that easy to completely get rid of. A fungus known as Malassezia globosa lives on our head, and when there is excessive sebum formation, it just feeds on that sebum and then grows in number and then just eventually causes dandruff. I'm not gonna go into that details, so I'm quickly just gonna share with you all my DIY recipe with you all. I take little bit of coconut oil into a bowl. I just eyeball it and then take little bit of camphor and then add few drops of lemon to it. Please make sure that the solution that you're creating does not come in contact with your skin, especially your face, because there is lemon and it can irritate your skin. Just apply it on the scalp, leave it for 1 to 2 hours. I won't recommend it applying throughout the night because there is lemon, but if you want, you can also skip the lemon and just use with some camphor and some coconut oil, and then you can use it overnight. But don't use it overnight if you're using lemon. If there is a lot of dandruff on your head, I would recommend it for 2 to 3 times a week, and then just follow it up with a hair wash. And if you have like mild kind of dandruff, not too much, not too severe, then you can actually go for 1 to 2 times a week. You can use whatever shampoo you use. If you're using a shampoo especially for dandruff, that's a very good thing. If you're not, then that's also completely fine. I assure you, you will see results in just one go. But please keep that in mind, that I said that dandruff is something that will always keep coming back. So you have to be consistent with the routine and just keep doing it. And yes, that was it for today's video. I know it was a very quick and short one, but I hope that was helpful and it was informative for you guys. And if you like the video, then you know the drill. I'm not gonna repeat it again and again. Just sab kar do jo karna hai, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.